Good morning everyone. Hello, hello. This is Bibi and I am in Sweden. I am going to my work today. It's not a sunny day today, but it's not raining anyway. So it's good to go as a training. Walking. I have no driver for today. My supportive husband, he is now in Karlskoga to support his nephew and road racing. It's a championship today and he is always there as a mechanic because road racing is his passion. He used to be a road racer in the past 50 years. So shout out to Jan Corneliusson. Good luck to the World Championship today on road racing. By the way, my name is Bibi and I am originally from the Philippines. And I am from Cagayan de Oro City. I am a Bisaya. I'm a Bisdak. So I can speak Bisaya here. Sorry, medyo hanga kay medyo sakaon ang dalan. Kulang nagitag exercise ani. So, by the way, I am still working full-time as a practical nurse and I'm doing my side hustle. I am a digital business owner. Unsa man ning digital business? It's a business we can do in online using your cell phone or laptop. So it's really amazing because you can do it anytime, anywhere. Basta dala-dala mo lang ang imong laptop or cellphone. So unsaon pagsugod ani no? To start with, you have to sign up to my link and watch the 90 minutes complimentary webinar para mahibaw-an ninyo kung unsaon pagsugod. I am old enough. I am 63 years old. But I'm still doing this and I know you can do it too. Og dili lang kay ako lang ang pinaka oldest ani na business no. When I was in Canada during our convention, I met a couple who are 80 years old. Amazing. They enjoy doing it. Who can believe that? So, kamo na mga bata pa, no? Pagsugod na mo. Kay, katong nagsugod na ani, no? From 3 to 7 years ago, they are already successful. And they already retired from their 9 to 5 job. Because they already earn more than what they earned. Working with their 9 to 5 job. So this business has no ceiling and no bagging of family and friends, but you can share it. You can share it to your warm market. So in last June, I was in Japan and I attended a convention, and it was really amazing seeing those successful people receiving their awards. And I hope someday I will be on the stage and receive my award too. So I can highly recommend this one. I'm doing this digital business in almost 2 years now, and I already got result. This business is legit because we are tax registered in over 23 countries. We are global. Okay, it's amazing. So guys, if you're interested, you can reach out to me or sign in to my link, www.bbcorneliuson.com. Okay, have to go now. I am close to my work now. And bye for today. Have a nice Friday, everyone. TGIF. Bye. See you again later on my next video. God bless.